Did you know that there are other ways of mixing your colors aside from using a palette? Let's explore 5 different watercolor mixing techniques and see how they look on portraits, trees, and flowers. This class is designed for all artists with any skill level. We will create different swatches of oranges, greens, and purples, along with a quick review of our primary and secondary colors. I will also show you how I combine the different mixing techniques in painting this simple orange illustration. Once you've tried mixing colors in different ways, then you'll have an idea which technique to use in a specific painting subject. If you've been following me, then you'll know that I am a fan of a limited palette. So, we will only use 3 colors for this class. If this is your first class with me, then hi, I am Bianca Lustre, an aspiring watercolor artist from Batangas, Philippines. My current obsession is testing out as many combinations of primary colors as possible and creating color wheels and charts in the hopes of helping you choose your own pigments for your own limited palette. In fact, I am giving away a free copy of my latest ebook, Color Wheels, to my students, and I'll tell you more details about this in the next video.